Can you manage all of your business with one system? Let's say you are ready to take brokerage to the next level by joining Great Agent. Once you join Great Agent, you will immediately be alerted of new leads in our system whom are looking to buy and sell in your area. But how is this possible? Our CRM instantly generates a profile for each buyer or seller who's browsing your website. This will help you and your team keep up with your needs. With world-class training, a friendly support team, data scientists, marketing experts, success managers, engineers, designers, search engine marketers, and content writers, we work hard to assure the success of your business. Attracted by the Marge photos, buyers register to receive personalized updates right in their inbox. Automated marketing will keep you and your team organized, and on top of your checklist, you will also have access to real-time property updates and listing alerts, so you can seamlessly send leads the most relevant information. When you need deeper insight into your growing team, our handy dashboard reports lead generation and conversion rates, as well as your team's progress and response time. This will give you the ability to focus on what you do best, closing deals and satisfying your customer. Recently awarded for international design and real estate, on top of having the industry's highest Google quality score, here at Great Agent, we have the desire to make the world a better place. So, for every customer who joins our family, we sponsor a homeless child. We offer it all so that you can have it all.